Hey, how's everybody doing today? Clint, the audio guy here at Xtend Technologies. That's Xtend with an X, Xtend, in Broadview Heights, Ohio. Just wanted to show you a piece we got in on trade because these don't last very long. Um, this is a chance to own the 200 watt per channel class of McIntosh amplifier for quite a bit less money. So, like most people do when they trade in a McIntosh piece, McIntosh is one that I'll always consider for a trade, unlike a lot of others, because they hold their value so well. But they also are kind of a forever piece, almost like the diamond is forever. McIntosh is too. They just last so long because they build them to such a quality standard. But anyway, we have a MA6600 here. It's an integrated amplifier, so amp and preamp and phono stage, also headphone amp. The only thing it's lacking on compared to the new pieces is it does not have a DAC built in, so no digital to analog converter. But any analog source you have is going to plug in and sound great. Still 200 watts per channel. That's conservatively rated like McIntosh always does. You can see the meters go up to 400. It'll give you 400 watts when, if the music demands it, or your volume demands it, I should say. It's got, oh yeah, let me show you the accessories that you get with it. So this is the factory remote, and just like a lot of old factory remotes, they were kind of like a rubbery coated feeling. I got the brand new style remote for it. So this is a brand new remote. So that comes with it. You get the factory power cord, wiring diagram, manual, and the customer did not have the original box. So the one fun fact about McIntosh is that they'll make a box kit for any piece they've ever made. So this is a brand new box kit. So you get the plywood in there, you get the double box, you've got the die cut foam and everything. So that's all fresh and ready to go. So you get a lightly used piece. It's all cleaned up. I deoxidized all the connectors on the back. So got the this deoxit stuff that cleans the gold connectors really well. The front is all clean, dusted between the fins even with a very soft paintbrush. So it's all cleaned up and ready to go. New box kit, brand new remote. He's got the factory manual and wiring diagram and power cord. So this thing's good to go. I just tested it with our music server here. I also tested the phono stage with an LP, and everything sounds great. So here's your chance to own one for a lot less. Stop by Xtend Technologies in Broadview Heights and ask for Clint, the audio guy, and I'll love to play it for you. Oh, and like every McIntosh trade-in that I get, they traded it towards a new McIntosh piece. Rarely do we get anybody that wants to trade it towards anything else. They're usually lifetime. Once they're McIntosh for life. So here's the new piece. This is technically a receiver, so this has a tuner and a DAC built in, but this is essentially that same kind of amplifier class. The new one for about twice the money. So for about half price, you can have this one right here. Come on in and take a listen. It's sounding great. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.